And this is a hardwire kit, and it has 3 wires. Yellow one is a permanent constant power. I'm gonna get the power from this fuse box, and then black one is for the ground cable. I'm gonna ground somewhere around here. But this red wire is for switch power, and I try to get the power from. So here's a diagram. I'm getting the power from the fuse box, and the power goes past the side glove box. By the way, most of the car, those plastic trim and clips are so fragile, so it's good to have extra clips from Amazon or AliExpress in case you break them. I mean, I always do. So this is for the hardwire kit wiring. And I go through this glove box panel. So ever so gentle, try not to black them. A little spongy stuff. And I'm gonna go through in the gap over here. And behind this panel, there should be the passenger side fuse box. So this is it. If you loosen this green screw, it will drop. And you can see the hole, the fuse box. It's pretty tight spot though. And apparently the fuse is not at the passenger fuse box, but the very back, the cargo space fuse box. I have to feed all the way to the back. So let's begin the million-mile journey. And you see the little light brown clips that holds the thing, so you just pop it out, just gently pop it out. And also you see the black wire along with it, which is backup camera wiring, the previous owner has installed. So I pretty much follow this wiring from the front to the back. So I'm going to leave a hardwire kit in black and the yellow line over here, and only the red wire will travel all the way to the back. So the way with hardwire kit says here, so I'm going to send the red wire from here, so you need to wire. We're going to connect this wire to the red wire, just send feed first. And this is the cargo space, the fuse box. And there, this is the white wire. And this is the fuse adapter. You can add new fuse to it. And 2 slots for the fuse. And the one is the current fuse, and the other one is the new fuse you're going to add. And I don't like this function, so I decide, and then I can put more secure away. Connect this adapter with the white wire I just had from the front. So this is going to be a switch power wire to the hardwire kit. See, this is way secure. Alright, looks good. And that white wire sits here. So I'm going to connect this wire to the actual hardwire kit, the red wire. And actually this key chain tube has a glue inside, so it seals nicely, like right after heat up the glues the melting and insulates the small gaps. And here I'm holding a yellow permanent cable from a hardwire kit, connecting with a fuse adapter, so I can connect this permanent yellow wire into the fuse box layer. And the ground location, the bottom of the A pillar, I need the previous owner used this bolt as the ground point, and so I'm going to set it from there. Just going to check the continuity. If all the wiring is connected, it beeps. So I knew this ground point works, but this is kind of far from the passenger side fuse box down there, so I try to find a new ground spot close to the fuse box and try to attach the metal parts, which beeps like this. It means it's also could be a good ground point. And I have to secure the wire, I have to find the groundable bolts, and this looks good. I'm going to anchor the ground wire with this stapler stud. And I'm going to trust this connection, so I just get it with the original key. So the ground is done. So I have 2 wires left. One is a permanent yellow wire, the other one is switch power red wire. And I have to connect into the fuse box. I have to figure out what unfavorable fuse I should use for each wire. So I get the diagram. I'm going to get the constant power from number 10 fuse. And then accessory switch power from 111, number 111 fuse. And it shows the ampage. So number 10 fuse is 5 ampere, and number 111 fuse is 20 ampere. And I cannot exceed those amperes, so I have to turn up. And that's the fuse locations. And this is the front passenger side. You take out the number 10 fuse. And then as a diagram, it says at 5 ampere. And new fuse going to the upper slot, and the conventional fuse going to the lower slot. And I have to pick less than 5 ampere for the new wire. And the back of the dash cam says it consumes 2.5 ampere, so I chose 3 ampere this time. And back to the original spot, so I can still use original fuse and also adding the new fuse for the dash cam power supply. And this is the cargo area fuse box. So this is for accessory switch power. This location 111 has 20 volts, not 20 ampere. And for this one, I picked 5 ampere. Alright, it's all set the wiring wise. Oh no, I had to do the rear camera as well. The front dash cam had 3 cameras and then one.